Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit. Heaven or hell, your choice. Today we're going to talk about the judgment or verdict. Now, when we left our last video, the parties had presented their case, made their closing statements, and now it's time for the judge to make his judgment or verdict. It's usually very quick. If the judge finds for the devil plaintiff, he's going to declare how much you owe, usually award attorney's fees of 10% of whatever the amount was, plus court costs, which usually include filing fees and service of process fees, with the balance accruing at 10% interest until paid in full. Now, the judge is going to seem to have no ability to show any mercy to you and only mete out justice against you by siding with the devil. The judge won't and can't care about whether you can pay it or whether it's going to hurt your family or whether you're going to suffer because of it, no matter how much you beg or plead, because you're in a court of justice, not mercy. And the reality is, the judge is going to find in favor of the devil in the vast majority of the cases because it's rare that you don't owe the money. After the decision is made and the judgment is filed with the court clerk, if you or the other parties are not legally happy with the judge's decision, your only option at that point is to appeal the judgment. Now, if you were sued in district court or small claims court, you have the right to appeal to circuit court de novo. That's another one of those Latin words, which essentially means you can go to circuit court and retry the case as though it never happened. This, however, in order to get to that point, you've got to file a notice of appeal with the district court and pay a filing fee of $165 as of this video. And it has to be done within 30 days. If you were in circuit court and you believe the judge's decision is legally wrong, you can also appeal, but you have to go to the Arkansas Court of Appeals. However, such an appeal is really complex and way beyond the scope of this video. And it's quite costly. Barring no appeal, after 30 days, the judgment will become final, and the devil has a new bag of nasty tools, allowing him to possess more people to do his bidding to take money and property away from you. Additionally, the judge will remain available to enforce the judgment against you and aid in taking money or property from you to pay the judgment. Now, our next several posts are going to discuss how the devil can collect on his judgment. This phase is aptly called the execution phase. And anyway, I know it doesn't seem fair, but the reality is 95% of the time you owe the money, and there's nothing that the judge could even do. But it's going to feel like the judge has been possessed by the devil, and all the people in the system are being possessed by the devil to act against you. And that's the way the system is set up, unfortunately. But you can stop the insanity. You can give us a call, and we'll be happy to do a free consultation with you. Also, we'd be happy to send you a copy of our book. All you got to do is go online or give us a call, and we'll get you hooked up. Remember, our firm's mission is to restore hope and peace to people in financial distress by hitting the reset button on their bills through the bankruptcy process. I know if you're going through this is just crazy stuff, but we can help. Thanks, and I do look forward to seeing you in our next video.